will see how we can install cv2, or you can say OpenCV or open source computer vision library. It's provide a various tool and functions for image and video processing. Okay, let's at first check out is it installed or not. OpenCV2, import OpenCV2. You can see I have still not installed it. For install, we can type a prompt pip install OpenCV dash Python. And wait for some time for that. Now you can see it's installed, installation complete. Okay, now check out is it properly installed or not. Import cv2. You can see it's completely installed. Okay, also you can check the OpenCV version. For that, print cv2 version, run it. You can see it's 4.9.0.